Okay, in the making, Mayor Ason Salonga. Lala. Okay, that's our future mayor. Parang Ason Salonga yung datingan eh, no? Or ano, Boyong Manyalak. Lala. Isa, kompleto ba? Apa? Sana hindi future crocodile yan, ha? Nako, dumalawa pa. Okay, guys, that's our future politician. Yan, mayor or congressman. Sana wag naman, ha? Wag congressman, ha? Okay? Ayos tayo dyan. Basta para sa bayan, hindi para sa bulsa.
Aray mo, tukap.
Okay, si Santo Papa. Okay, may mga seafarer. Okay, salute to the farmers. Okay, ano yung babae? Okay, may chef, may flight steward. Okay, mga nurses natin. Attorney without case. May attorney tayo. Okay, police, future police, military or marines. Okay, daming gusto maging ano, Ba't naka-rubber shoes yung isa? Ano ba yung security? Ba't naka-rubber ba naman? Okay, wala na iba? Nang balagbag doon yung ano eh, no? Ay, hindi ko alam kung security uniform ang suot niya eh, pero ang lala, naka-rubber shoes. Okay, that's our career guidance sa future. Nakita nyo naman, marami. Pero ang pinakamalupit doon, si Santo Papa. Okay.
Tol,
Kompleto
nandiyan sila.
Si Mr. President kasama mga secretary. Si Mr. President parang akit ng stage at para mag-wrap eh, no? Ganda na shades eh.
Aray ko!
Okay. Daming backup ni Mr. Ando. Mr. President ba? Or congressman? Okay guys, yun ang mga malulupit na mga career guidance ng mga student natin itong nakaraan na itong taon pala yan, sorry yan, yung nakaraan na school year, so this year yun, and I hope yan may nakita kayong magagandang career guidance, and of course yan, alam ko may paparating kayo ng career guidance this next school year, and ano kaya ang makikita natin mas malupit as mas balagbag po na future or whatever na career na tatahakin nila. As always, guys, take care. Peace and one love.
Power off.
So, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Yan, shoutout time po tayo. First shoutout natin kay Keith Martin Solano. Next shoutout natin, Dave Adrian Narciso. Next shoutout, John G. Paldima from Talisayan. Next naman po kay Rain Mark Bautista. Shoutout sa iyo. Next shoutout, TD Keku. Yan, what's up? Next shoutout natin, Cesista Jano or Jano Cesista from Northern Samar. What's up? And that's it, guys. Yun na po ang last shoutout natin for today. And of course, yan, abangan nyo po yung mga next reaction video po natin na makikita. Whether career guidance po yan or funny videos na talaga naman nakakatuwa at nakakatanggal ng stress. Until to the next time, guys, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Peace and one love.